Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 10 and I will show you how to enable unknown sources. So if you want to install some app that isn't from App Store, you will either download it or basically mail it or somehow transfer to the device, and once you do that, you will need to enable the unknown sources to actually be able to install the app so we can use it. So to do it, go into settings, then go into apps and notifications, then special app access, and somewhere on the bottom, install unknown apps here, and here we have the option of what the app will get the privilege to install unknown sources. So for instance, you downloaded the app from Chrome, you will need to enable it so Chrome can actually install or basically get the app and install it. Same goes for Mail and Drive. And now if you would do it some other way, let's say from a memory card, I think it would show you basically like the Explorer from built-in one that you can use to look at the memory card, so you can install it from there. Now for the most part, when you actually select the app, it will ask you to enable unknown sources, and it will automatically take you to where you need to be, so you can check off the marker so you can immediately install. But if you want to do it like right now and allow it, you can do it remotely here, basically grant access to everything from here. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.